Pay attention, class. I want you to answer this question. It's a tough one.
It really is? I knew I should have studied harder. I don't know any of this.
Nope, this isn't happening. Hey!
Leave me alone. Oh no, my pen! Hey, Mickey, do you have a spare pen? I've been chewing on mine.
Oh, hold on. Here you go.
Okay, let's do this. I know I'm going to fail. Ah, are you kidding me?
What was that? My pen, you monster!
Shh. How's it going? Can I borrow a pen? I'd do anything for you, Ashley. 2 in a row? Why this keep happening? I don't believe this! I'm stronger than I thought. Time is running out. I need to hurry. I can't use any of these. So can anyone help me? Don't even think about it.
Wait, why are you looking at me? Find another schmuck.
You know, I don't blame them. Excuse me, do you have a pen? Not a problem, Ashley. You can have this one.
No, stop!
Hide your pen! Am I missing something? You know, I seem to have lost all my pens. But just saw you holding one. I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, I'll have to make do with this. Ugh, this is pointless. I can't watch this anymore. I know what to do. I'll need the ink chamber from my pen. I'm going to make her an unbreakable pen. I've got a pen mold here. I'll place the ink chamber into it. Now I need to decorate it. I'll place flower petals into the mold. It's going to be so pretty. I have this little jar of glitter. I'll add to some epoxy resin. Then I'll give it a stir. I want to make sure it's combined. That looks about right. Now I can pour the epoxy resin into the mold. I'll need to cover the flowers. I want to fill it all the way up. Then I'll wait for it to set. I can remove it from the mold now. It just pops right out. Wow, look at that. I better give it to Ashley. Whoa, this is for me? I can't wait to try it out. Ooh, look at that action.
Oh, come on, Ashley. Are you joking?
Hey, it's still in one piece. That's one impressive pen. I'll just double check. Yep, it's Ashley proof.
What an emotional roller coaster. Bravo!
Thank you. A's all round. Today is the day. I get to let my hair down and party. What should I wear? Let's see. This looks nice. An excellent choice. I better get dressed. Wow, looking good. Something's missing. I want to stand out. I have the perfect thing in mind. This is just what I need. This is so exciting. Whoa, just look at it. It's guaranteed to add some sparkle to my outfit. I want to see how it looks. Oh my god, I'm gorgeous! I think I'm ready. Hold on. Ashley's tiara was so tragic. I would have felt bad for her if I wasn't laughing so much. I don't want to wear this anymore. I'm kidding, I don't belong at any party. I'm just going to curl up on the couch and feel sorry for myself. Never going outside again. What's going on?
Wow, I'm really nailing those landings now. What's wrong, Ashley?
Hello? Nothing good ever happens to me. What? What's going on? Who are you? And how did you get in here?
I'm your fairy godmother. What seems to be the problem?
Isn't it obvious? I just wanted to look good for the party.
Is that all? You shall go to the ball. I mean, party.
I'm not feeling this. Do something.
Sorry, it's a new wand. I'm still getting used to it.
Don't do that again. What now?
It's okay. Just give me a moment. Maybe if we, hold on. That's a strange-looking wand, but I think I can use it. I'm about to give this tiara a makeover. I'll use the 3D pen to trace over the tiara. I'll go around the gems. I want to create a frame. I love this color. Now I'll switch colors. And I'll fill in the gemstones. I'll go all the way the edges. I can't forget about the little gems either. Now I can carefully remove it. Say hello to your new and improved tiara. I know, I'm amazing. Here you go. Oh my god, I'm getting emotional. It's the perfect fit. Wait, what's happening? You're going to like this part. Whoa, this is unbelievable. These glasses don't go with this dress. Wow, look at me. Beautiful. Thanks so… Where did she go? I never got to say how much this means to me, but thank you. Now let's party.
La la la. Hi! Welcome to my kitchen.
You make a great mermaid, Dolly. What's that smell? Mom's made cupcakes. Ooh, they look good.
Hands off! We're having technical problems.
I just want one, Mom.
Never.
Ugh, you're mean. She thinks she's so smart. I'll finish off your tail.
Where was I? Oh, the cream.
What's that, Mrs. Dog? Say that again. That sounds great.
Next, I'm going to make a delicious tomato dish. Wait, don't do that, Ashley.
Hey, how's it going? This is my dog. She likes long walks on the beach.
Ashley!
Hi, Mom.
Get out of here!
Sorry, I just wanted to go viral.
I'll put my cupcakes over here.
This is our chance. It's going to be the perfect crime. Mom had no idea. Hey, look. I'm a social media star.
Let's get cooking. I'll need this bowl. Huh? Where did it go? It's around here somewhere. I should have known.
That is so good.
You see what I'm dealing with? Hey, give me that! You're coming with me. Give me the bowl.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You have frosting on your nose.
Oh, how did that get there? It must be one of life's little mysteries.
The show's over. Everything is ruined.
Maybe I can fix this. Give me a moment.
I'm sorry about this. I just wanted to entertain you. I can't even do that.
Hey, Mom, check this out. How does that feel?
Ooh, that's the spot. Hang on. Let me see that. Ashley, what have you done? This is my whisk.
I was just trying to help. Let me think. Oh, I've got it.
What am I supposed to do with this? Wait, I know. You're going to enjoy this. I'll take the coil of plastic. I'll cut lengths off. And then I'll loop them around each other. Now I need the 3D pen. I'll use this to fuse the pieces together. Then I'll build it up. I want to make a handle. I've got a handy little whisk. Isn't it wonderful? It'll be available on my online shop.
You have a shop? Whatever, here's your bowl.
That's my assistant. This is doing the job. How do you turn this thing off? Phew, what a day. I need to relax. That was hard work. Oh yeah, that feels so good. That's hitting the spot. Sometimes we have to deal with unexpected problems in life, but there's always a solution, especially when you have a 3D pen and a whole lot of resin. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.
Oh, there's the bell. I've gotta go. Oh, my skirt is caught in the locker. Come on, I don't have time for this. I said, let's go! Oh no!
Oh, right! My key! Doi! Huh? Where is it? Of course! It must be in my bag. It's gotta be in here somewhere. Okay, this is ridiculous. I can't find it. Wait, I have an idea. Here I go! Let's see. Bag of chips. Books. I better go deeper. There it is! I found it! Phew! Finally! That was a lot of work. There we go. Locker is finally open. Wait, I think I've got a better idea. I've got my 3D pen and a little heart template I drew. I'll just follow the outline. Great! And now I can fill it in. This is my favorite part of drawing with 3D pens. I really like doing the longer lines. I want to make this look good so I can't have any gaps. Okay, the heart is done. Now I'll just add a keychain to the end. The 3D pen can help secure it, too. There! It's complete and ready to use. It looks so cute! And the best part is, no more lost key! This dance is so fun! Oh! The doorbell! I'll get it! Shoot! We were in a groove! Look! It was a package! Yay! It's my new Crocs! They're beautiful! I love them! Wow! I'm so jealous! Mine are plain and boring. Hey! I bet I can fix them! I drew a cute little flower. And now for my trusty 3D pen. 2 petals done. On to the rest. I prefer a back and forth pattern. And there! Now I'll use yellow to fill in the center. Aw! It turned out so cute! Next up, a strawberry. I'm gonna outline this one in black first. It's looking good! Now for the green top. And of course, red for the berry. This is gonna be adorable! And done! Next up, a star! I don't even need a template for this one. I can just freehand the outline. This yellow will make it look like it's shining brightly. There we go. Now it's time for the shoes. Think I'll put the star right here. Now for all the others. Yes! They turned out great! Time to try them on! Oh my gosh! I absolutely love them! You did such a great job, Kate! Well, here. You can have it. Aw, thanks! Want to see something really cool? Look what else I made! They slip right over the tops for a completely new look! I just used a 3D pen to trace the shoe. So cool! Oh, right! The dance! We can show off our new shoes, too! Almost done cleaning these dishes. Phew! Oh no. Another mug. Clean this one too, please. Okay, fine. Just one more. I don't know how a mug can get so dirty. What the? My hand! Oh no! Did it break? Whoa! It's still in one piece! No! The handle on our favorite mug! She's gonna kill me! Wait, maybe I can fix it. I don't even need glue, cause I've got my 3D pen. I'll just cover the crack. It's the same color, so you can barely see it. And then I'll do it all the way down the handle. All along the edge. It doesn't need a lot, though. There. One side done. Now onto the other. I'll just do the same thing here. Almost done with this side. There we go. And now to make sure I've got the top and bottom, too. The handle's the most important part of the mug, so I've gotta make sure it's secure. Done! And the handle's holding, too. Oh, here's some juice for you. Huh. I see you've added some texture to the handle. Is there something going on? No? Well, it does make it easier to grip. Thanks for the juice. Phew, I'm so glad that worked. Excuse me. I've got to get into my locker. It's so weird that she's studying right here. Shoot! There's the bell. Hey! How did my skirt get caught in the locker? Ooh, it's really caught in there. I better just yank it free. Ugh! It yanked free of me instead! No, I better not try that. Oh! There's a huge hole! Wait a second. Yes! My 3D pen! I'm so glad I brought this to school. I'll just draw a cute little design around the hole in the skirt. Now to start filling it in. Gotta make sure the hole's covered. Okay, now for the next color. And to cover this part of the hole, too. There! The hole's hidden! Now for extra details. I'll fill in the ears. And now for little eyes. Can't forget a nose and mouth either. Aw, the box turned out so adorable! The hole is hidden and my skirt's extra cute now! Though the wolf had sharp teeth, he also had a big heart. And so, when the princess stroked his fur, he laid at her feet. And from that day forward, they were always together. Oh, she fell asleep. I'll just tuck her in. Now to tiptoe out of her room. Oh no! That was so loud! Oh, please don't wake up! Phew, she stayed asleep. Shoot, I broke her doll! She's gonna be so upset when she finds out! Darn, what am I gonna do? Oh, I know what I can do! Come here, Dolly. Time for some repairs. Don't let me down, 3D pen. I really need you this time. I'm gonna try to make it look like fish scales. So the mermaid tail looks more real. And now for the fins at the bottom. Yellow seems like a good color to start with. But I'll use a bunch, because I want it to be pretty. There we go. Now for some finishing touches. A little more yellow at the top. And I'm done! Aw, that turned out really cute! I think she'll be happy with the results. I'm honestly pretty proud of myself with this. I'll just leave Dolly here for her to find. Sleep tight! Now to sneak out of the room again.
The wolf wants cherry ice cream.
Yeah! I was right! This popcorn is so good! Where is it? Where is it? Maybe it's under these pillows. What are you doing? Stop throwing pillows at me. Let me check under your legs. It's useless. I've looked everywhere. What's your problem? I'm missing one of my earrings. I can't find it. Huh. Well, this leaf kinda looks like it. Give me a bit. I can totally fix this for you. 3D pen to the rescue once more! This green is so pretty! I really like how it's shiny. Onto the other side of the leaf. It's kind of fun tracing a real leaf. Done! Now to slide it off. It almost looks like real foliage. Time to attach the hook for the earring. Good. Now to make another. They're ready to wear. Look what I have for you! Here! Nice! Let me try them on! How do they look? Good? Yay! Oh my gosh! I love them! They look like real leaves! So pretty! Well, there you go! You don't have to worry anymore! What would you make with a 3D pen? Let us know in the comments! And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one!